Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title AppShell, making data production practical for lost or stolen Android devices. Our project abstract. In the project abstract, in the Android application based on the application manager to manage the sensitive private application like Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter, etc. This application is a collection of application or manage the security and the privacy of the sensitive application. The application has a one-word password to sign out the application. After the sign out from the application, other signed application automatically logged out from the network. We use a touchscreen based to access the application, for example, certain pattern matches and the certain image matches, etc. And the further, if any other persons try to open the lock, camera capture their face and the stores in the gallery. And also, it automatically sends a alert message to the certain users. For example, if the unauthorized person access the mobile means it automatically sends the unauthorized access with a certain image attached from the of the users and send the certain particular mobiles for like a MMS processor, and also it attaches the certain message to the emails and send automatically to the particular user email ID during the starting the setting of the patterns in it. Then the further process the email can be carried out using the certain net access during the application is on unauthorized access in it. Our data flow diagram. In the data flow diagram it mentions the launching of application. In the launch of application it takes our application from our mobiles and after the start splash. In the start splash it mentions the home screens to make the decoration of the certain login page to make the unwanted activity in it. After that, the touch screen based authentication in it. In the touch screen based authentication, it takes the installation count of the application. The installation count, if the user make the first installation regarding any data, make the user to make the authenticated pattern to set the lock in it. In the set the lock, it automatically gather the details regarding the user. So, for example, authenticated mobile number and authenticated email ID to send the unauthorized details to a certain process, and after that the sign in online application for the certain users can be recorded on it, and after that the application can be opened using the certain single pattern authentication, and after that the changes of authentication it makes the certain further same authentication of the user to change the authentication of the certain pattern lock in it, and after that the pattern it exists application it automatically sign out all the applications in it, and after that the applications can be signed in for if the once the users can be logged in it. Once the users can be signed in all applications, so all the applications can be signed in automatically for the certain users are logged in and the authentication in it. Our project demo. In the project demo, first install the application which was given in the APK file. It can be first open the project in the Eclipse, and after the project open in the Eclipse, just right click on the process and click on run configuration on it. The run configuration select in the run configuration select the process regarding the pattern lock in it and set the target application. If your mobile is connected in the process and click on the mobile application, it automatically generates the APK and it will install in your mobiles. This is your home screen. This is the first splash install in it, and after the splash screen it automatically asks to create your patterns in it, and after that it create a new pattern in it and click on menu options in it. The menu option shows the create new pattern, and after that the contact persons in the contact process it shows the detail of the application created by the users, and click on create a new pattern. In the create new pattern, draw the particular patterns in it. In the particular patterns select the users in it. For example, just just draw the patterns for which you like. I have drawn the patterns regarding the certain L shapes for combining combinations of six dots. If you minimum 5 dots, it's available, and after that, the new users and the certain details can be get in regarding the email process. In the new users, enter your name and the certain mobile numbers. You can add multiple users in it. For example, you can add one or more users in it. I have given an example of certain username and the mobile numbers in it. After the registration of the new users, you can view in it. Here it views the multiple users. If you are given a multiple authenticator process, it automatically viewed in it. Here it shows the example of a certain registered user in it, and after automatically it redirects to the login form. And after the login forms, if the patterns can be drawn correctly, in this process the pattern can be invisible. It can't be shown for the particular drawn pattern. You can make it as a visible also. If you want to make a pattern as a visible, it's like visible to make a draw pattern in a visible. After the authentication is success, it shows the certain application, and these are the social related website. Once you have clicked on it, it automatically redirects to a certain login application in it.